Welcome friends. Now I will talk about Group B questions for CSIR NET Life Science. The topic-wise suggestions actually for Group B questions. Actually, I have seen that quite number of students actually traveled for Group B questions. So I have worked out for Group B questions, and the questions actually the topic wise topics are here as I show that. So as per suggestion 2016 December, Group B question, Group B, you have to do membrane structure, and permeability. Membrane structure and permeability is very much important for Group B questions. uh, Primary transporter, secondary transporter, membrane structure, and the permeability, the controlling of permeability is very much important for Group B questions. Okay, so you have to prepare for that. Come to the point two: amino acids. Amino acids and their property. Amino acids and their property is very much important, and you have to do that, and you have a clear concept for this amino acid and for their property for Group B questions to attempt in CSIR NET. Okay, come to the point three: chromatin compaction. That means from nucleosome model to metaphase chromosome. That means scaffold folded model through solenoid model. You have to do that very carefully, and the roles of histones there, and acetylase, deacetylase functions there. So you have to do that with chromatin compaction for Group B question, and obviously you can get 1 to 2 questions from there, and easily. I forgot about that. Membrane structure and permeability, you get minimum 1 to 2 questions from here. Amino acids and their property, you obviously get 2 questions from there, and maybe one. Come to the point 4: DNA nucleotide, DNA properties and types. Nucleotide, DNA properties and types. These types and structure, obviously, this is very much important for Group B question, and you have to do very well for nucleotide, DNA properties and their types and structures, like DNA type, like A type of DNA, B type of DNA, Z type of DNA, their differences, and such like that, and their structure, gDNA, and the types of base pairing, like different types of base pairing, Watson-Crick base pairing, or such like oval base pairing. These are very much important, and you have to do that, and obviously you can get 1 to 2 questions from here. Okay, now get point 5: DNA replication, especially DNA replication. DNA replications, enzyme functions specially. uh, translation, and obviously here the enzyme function. These are very much important. DNA replication, transcription, especially enzyme functions of DNA replication and transcription or translation. Okay, they are very much important for Group B questions, and you have to prepare for that. And obviously, you can get minimum 2 questions from here. Especially for DNA replication, inhibitor of replication, you have to do it very carefully. DNA replication inhibitor, translation inhibitors, and the enzymes for prokaryotic and eukaryotic. You have to do the functions of DNA replication and translation very carefully. And obviously, you can get 2 questions from there. Now, come to the point 6, splicing mechanism. This is the one important. Obviously, you can get C group questions from here, obviously, but you can get 1 question from here if you prepared it very well, or maybe not. But obviously, you have to do that because Group C question. For Group C questions, splicing mechanism is much important. Okay. Now come to the point 7, cell division. Especially spindle spindle formation, kinetochore function, centriole function, etc. etc. These are very much important, and the inhibitors of cell division is very much important. Okay, the stages, the function of spindle fiber in different stages, the function of kinetochore in different stages of cell division, centriole function in different stages of cell division. This is very much important for Group B questions. Okay, obviously you can get 1 question from here. Now come to the point 8, developmental biology. Developmental biology, especially terminology. You have to do it very carefully for developmental biology. Terminologies are very much important for Group B questions, and you have to prepare very carefully. And obviously, you can get minimum 3 to 4 questions from here. Okay, from developmental biology, especially if you do terminology very well, then you can get minimum 3 to 4 questions from here. And obviously, for Group C question, developmental biology is very much important. So, developmental biology you have to do very carefully and very well. Now, come to the point 9. Uh, Here's the most important one, mm, is the enzymatic kinetics. You can get only 1 question from here. Enzyme kinetics. From enzyme kinetics, you can get 1 question from for Group B question. Actually, theoretical questions you may get from here, and the problematic questions you may get for Group C questions. But for Group B, theoretical questions, different types of enzyme kinetics inhibition, types of inhibition is very much important. So you have to do it carefully, and you can get 1 questions from here for Group B. Actually, Group B questions are unpredictable. Okay, Group B questions are unpredictable, and if you do listen and learn very carefully for Group C question, you are very much prepared for the group B question. But some topics I mentioned that you have to do very carefully, especially particular some specifications for group B questions. If you do that, you can get minimum 2 to 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, uh, 11 or 5, 15, 16 questions get you easily. And obviously amino acid and peptide bond, you can get one question from here. Obviously you can get one question from here. Okay, so 16 questions you can get easily if you do that specifically and very well. And one thing is very much important, that instrumental biology, instrumental biology, it is very much important. You can get minimum 2 to 3 questions from here. For instrumental biology, I suggest that when you can get 4 options for a question for B group, uh, you obviously choose the uncommon one. That will be the answer generally. Okay, the uncommon one will be the general answer of instrumental biology for group B questions. In general case, this is my suggestion actually. Okay, now come to the point 11, pedigree analysis. You can get obviously one question from here. Okay, from pedigree analysis you can get obviously one question. So total questions 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 question. If you give answer of 21 questions very carefully and very correctly, then you can get minimum 44, 45 number easily. And group C, you have to prepare for that, as I give suggestions for previous videos. If you did not see that, go my previous videos and click that for group C suggestions. And you have to qualify actually for groups. If you want to qualify for group C, you have to minimum carry 70 number. Okay, minimum you have to get 70 number for group C. And group B, 30 plus number is much important. Okay, and group A is bonus actually. But group B minimum, if you get 40 plus or 40, that will be the beneficial one. And group C, as you much get better, it is very much helpful. Okay, so try it very carefully for group B questions. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.